glad you could join me for today's museum visit, kids. My park ranger training makes me a natural tour guide.
Great! And we're gonna get Froyo after, right?
Wouldn't be a museum tour without Froyo.
Yay!
Oka! Whoa, hey kids, look! An advertising mascot.
What's he selling?
What are you selling, fella? Caveman brand spatulas?
Oh no! Uka's loose in the city. We've got to catch up to him.
And my spatula! Follow that bike!
If you find Dronicus, send him back home and tell him I miss him.
We're here! You must be tired after a long day of selling spatulas.
Oka?
Exactly! Why don't you join us on our museum tour? Nothing more relaxing than learning about tectonic plates.
And then Froyo. What's your favorite Froyo topping?
Oka?
Huh, haven't tried that one.
Afternoon, Alphonse.
Hi, Alphonse.
Hi, guys. Who's your friend?
Why, it's only the best spatula salesman in Unicity.
Oka!
See ya!
Huh. I should have gotten his card.
Alphonse, did you see a caveman come by here?
Caveman? No, doesn't ring a bell.
He was carrying a spatula.
Oh, yeah, he went that way.
Thanks, Alphonse.
Get his card!
According to my notes, this museum was founded in 1835. Now that doesn't help. Pony, do you see Uka?
There he is! Oh, wait, no, that's a bear.